So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Tubi not working on smart Roku TV. Sign in, cache and network. Fix 1 is power cycle your TV. Unplug your smart TV or Roku TV from the power outlet, wait for 30 to 60 seconds, plug it back in and turn it on. Relaunch Tubi and check if it works. Second fix is reinstall the Tubi app. Highlight the Tubi app on your home screen, press the start button on your remote, select remove app and confirm the action. Go to the Roku channel store, search for Tubi, reinstall the Tubi app. On other smart TV, access your TV app store on setting, locate the Tubi app, select the option to delete or uninstall the app, re-download the Tubi app from the app store. Third fix is check for system update. On Roku, navigate to setting, select system, choose system update. Click on check now. On smart TVs like Android, Google, Samsung, LG, navigate to setting, select support, choose software update or journal, click on about this device, select update now. Fourth fix is clear Roku cache. Press the home button on your remote 5 times, press the up button once, press the rewind button twice, press the fast forward button twice. Fifth fix is check your internet connection. Unplug the Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds, plug the router back in to reset the connection. If possible, connect an Ethernet cable directly to the Wi-Fi or TV. Test the connection to determine if Wi-Fi is causing the lag. So thanks for watching.